with your new jacket. Withholding nothing. You're leaving here with your coat. I declare in the name of Jesus, you're leaving here with your coat. Find two people and say, I got my coat. I got my coat. Come on, tell somebody, I got my coat. You don't sound excited. I got my coat. You did not faint in your day of adversity. You got your coat tonight. Tell them, I'm an heir. I'm an heir. And now, before I leave this field tonight, ni wakati wa kurejesha everything that the enemy has stolen. I'm taking back, because now I'm not just speaking as a spectator, I'm speaking as a son. Return my joy, return my house, return my land. I see cases that some of you are gonna get to win in the next 7 days. Somebody say Jesus. We need to go home. I want you to release my visitors. Listen to me. You're leaving here with your coat. I'm getting off this stage when I hear your yes. You're leaving here with your coat. At the very back, say, I have my coat. And here's the beauty of this coat. My brothers cannot take it, because this coat came with authority, Rejesha. This coat came with power. This coat cannot be stolen. Look at a neighbor and say, you can't have this one. This one is for my destiny. This one is for my children. This one is for my children's children. And tonight, in the name of Jesus, atarejesha kila kitu alichochukua katika nyumba yangu. If I'm talking to you, say yes. Atarejesha. I feel like dancing. Wait. Before you hit the streets, do I have somebody who has understood how to be a son today? Do I have somebody who has understood inheritance? This is what I want you to do. Say, give me back my joy.
Give me back my joy.
Give me back my land.
Give me back my land.
Give me back my houses. Give me back my children.
Give me back my children.
Say, give it back, give it back, give it back, give it back.
Give it back, give it back, give it back.
And tonight you dance like one who has received your call.